All right, so I'm gonna repair a drawer on this dresser. You see when it slides out, it wants to drop down like that. And the reason it's happening is that the undermount drawer slide, you notice right here, it's really worn out in this area. It should be straight right here, but it goes back. So you can see how it's straight here, and all of a sudden it goes back like that. So when you pull out the drawer, there's nothing holding it. So we're gonna replace this whole slide on the bottom of the drawer. So I do have a pile of old drawer slides. I also have some new ones too. I don't like to use those unless I absolutely need to. So these old ones right here, not long enough, just not gonna work. So I'm gonna have to revert to a new drawer slide that I already had on hand. I usually have 5 or 10 of these, and this one will actually fit perfect. You can see that'll work fine. I've already tested the piece to make sure it's the right side, to make sure it's the right size. So that will work. So basically, so this piece is the same size as that piece, and it should work fine. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this piece here, the undermount slide. It's made out of wood, and then we're gonna replace it with this one. So I already removed the 2 screws in the back here. They're super tiny screws. So now all we have to do, and it's actually epoxy down, but I've already broken it loose. So, and there's a couple brad nails in the back holding it down. Again, I've already loosened it up, just wanted to show you, and remove this out. So now it's out. This is literally about a 1/16 inch wider than this piece right here. So when you put the bracket in here, the wood fits fine, but the metal has to fit in here. So we'll just shave a little bit down here, and that's it. So now we can set the rail in here. It fits here perfect. I like to use this Gorilla Glue. It's like an epoxy glue. It expands and foams up, so it actually seals everything up nicely around the edges. I like to use Gorilla epoxy glue for drawer slides because when you lay B down, it foams up and expands out along the edges. All right, let's go ahead and put the drawer back in. The drawer doesn't fall out like it did before.